Hello guys, welcome back to this new Outlook video. So today again we will have some outlook for the next week ahead in the dollar pairs. I will just apologize for my voice. I'm dealing with a small flu. So yeah, I really apologize for maybe some weird noises along with the video, alright? So DXY daily, it's kind of still in a very interesting area. So we can see that the DXY had a huge sell-off to the downside and is now accumulating on the daily time frame. You can see it here. So this is actually kind of a nice chart pattern, which often leads the market to a nice push phase either to the upside or also to the downside. So what I'm looking at is some kind of dollar strength in the future. So we can see that the market took out this last structure, so swing low, and is now reacting out from this massive demand zone. So we still have this premium demand zone down below, which the market also can head to once the pattern gets kind of broken to the downside. So this is the current price action on the dollar. So what I want to see is some kind of correction to the upside, maybe into this supply zone, and then a further drop to the downside. All right, so it's kind of some future long-term plays. Let's scale into this one. We can see here that we kind of can see a flag pattern right here. So the DXY is reacting out from this last sell to buy structure, which also broke this structure and made a new high. So okay, so this is a very interesting area to watch. And yes, you can see the market is kindly we can see very nice reaction from it. So what I wanted to see is some more upside movements to create like some kind of either structure break or an equal high, to which then indicates that we in first place kind of broke this flag pattern, and I also see some buyers coming into the market. So with a retracement we can then look for dollar buys, which is actually the buyers I'm looking for, right? So the other thing is we can also see kind of some drop, then it's okay, it's just some continuation shorts. All right, we have to be patient, but it's looking very nice for some corrective buys to the upside. Okay, let's move on to, I would say, Euro USD, because it's very correlated to the DXY. So here again, when we look for kind of buys on the DXY, we should look for some shorts on the Euro USD, very correlated. We can see on the daily there's still some kind of open levels. Also, this market is kind of very accumulative to the upside. So yeah, we have to wait and see, because if we scale in on the 1 hour time frame, we can still see that this pair is quite bullish. So we're making new highs and are not making new lows. So this we have to keep in mind. So now we have this price action situation that the market could not make a new high regarding to this last high. Okay, so maybe we can see another high. Then I'm interested in longs, just continuation longs. Or this market can probably push down a little bit more and then push to the upside to take out some liquidity, react from this structure breaking demand level. Okay, and we also have a nice premium zone in this area. And so the alternative scenario right here is, when we're looking for bullish dollar, is that the market is just breaking below this last swing low. All right, then we can look for some kind of retracement and shorts this one will goes along with our dollar buy bias. Okay. AUD USD, same thing right here. So this market is actually playing very nice, making new highs, lower highs. We had some kind of more deeper corrections, all right, which is it's okay. And now we are sitting at this supply zone. So also here we have like invalidation level for longs, which is this last swing low right here. So potentially we just want to following the trend on this one to take out this swing high and create a new high on higher time frame. Okay, so in this case it's just like some retracement, and then we can look for longs. And if this will not play out because market is too bearish, then we wait for a structure break of the last swing low, retracement, and shorts. All right. GBP USD, same thing here. Very, very bullish. It's moving kind of nice. So we can see there's some liquidity, which the market now took out. So maybe we can see some further moves into the supply area on the daily. So on our time frames, we can see market is moving very nicely. And yeah, again, this is our invalidation level for buys. So yeah, once the market will break this structure low, the swing low, then we can look for shorts. Otherwise, I'm just interested in some longs into some higher time frame supply area. So I don't know. There's no point of interest now for me. So we have to wait and see what market will do. And yeah, that's it for GBP USD. USD CHF is looking very interesting on the daily. We can see we're now sitting at this premium demand zone, which causes the market to push all the way up. So now we can see this market just, shut down, sold off, and is now making this very accumulative structure. Same on the DXY. It looks kind of the same. All right. So we took out this last swing low, which maybe also triggers in some more sellers with the retracement. So this could be a nice order flip to the upside. Okay, but we have to wait for some confirmations on a lower time frame to see if the price is willing to move further to the upside. So in this case, I'm not interested in shorts. I will just watch the market and wait if the market can make it and provide a nice buy setup. Otherwise, I'm not interested in this one. If it's just move lower, then it's fine. Same on USD JPY. We can see it on the daily. We had some correction sitting out at some premium demand zone. We also reacted from it. We had an indecision candle, nice engulfing. So maybe the potential is there for some further longs in the near future. So we can count this one as a normal impulse and then a normal correction, which creates a lower high, and possibly market could make a new higher high, And also on lower time frame, 30-minute time frame, we can see that the market is now reacting from this demand zone, which also broke the structure, created a new nice high, lower high, higher high, reacted now from it. So we can also see that the market is already created this equal high, which is nice. So yeah, let's see if we can get a little bit more down into it, maybe once again, and then just take some longs out from it. This would be probably very, very nice. Otherwise, we could possibly also just see some movement to the upside, which is fine. Then we have a break of structure, we have a new demand level, and then with the retracement we can then look for buys. Okay, so this one is also just a waiting game. And the last one, gold, we have some open retracement levels on a daily, so maybe this one will just take out this liquidity, then drop, and then we will look for future longs, and it's just a waiting game. So, but it looks very interesting. We can see on the 1 hour that price is, oh, it's in a very nice accumulation right here. So this is be the premium demand. We can just see a drop maybe into here, and then following by a new impulse to the upside, or we will just see some break of the swing low, and maybe we will then see some larger correction into our higher time frame buy zones. Okay, so this is the outlook for next week. Have a nice weekend, stay safe, and see you next week. Bye bye.